So I'm going to show you how to use Google Translate for Sora. So the first thing obviously you need to do is to install the Google Translate extension. So if you go to the Chrome Web Store and look for Google Translate and install it, once it's installed, you go to the puzzle piece here and you put the little thumbnail there so that it appears up there. The second thing you need is this little icon to appear. Sometimes it appears on its own, but if you go to the three dots in your top right corner and you go down, you'll see where it says translate, and that will make it appear. And the reason you do that is because you see there's three dots here. I can then go in here and change to another language if I wanted to. I'm not going to do that right now, but it gives you a list of languages, and the list of languages is pretty long. Yeah, it's a good list. Okay, so now I'm going to go to Sora into a book. I have a book open right now, and in order to get this to work, I right-click on the page. So right-clicking on a Chromebook is Alt-left-click. So Alt-left-click, and what will come up, it'll say Translate, and I'll click on it, and it translates it to Chinese. And that is how you translate a page in Sora. Now the same thing will work if I go to a regular web page, like this is Chelmsford Public Schools, and I could Alt, left click, or right click, is depending on what we're calling it. Try one more time. Here we go. And I'll click on Translate, and it'll translate it into Chinese. It does the exact same thing. So that is how you use Google Translate with Sora. You need the two versions. You need both Google Translate and this little icon here, and then you need to set the language, and then you need, of course, remember Alt left click in order to translate into a different language. Now, if it doesn't work, and I point this out because this happens to a lot of people, what you do is you delete the cookies for the web page, because I had this problem right before I filmed this video. So if you click here and you go down, it says Site Data, and it says Manage Site Data. You hit the little garbage can, and it deletes the cookies, and you go to the web page if it's the first time you went there. And that is the most common way. Google also recommends refreshing the page. You could try refreshing the page, but that doesn't work. Go in and click on this and delete the garbage cans of the sites that you're on right now. So I'll just do that one more time. If you go right here next to where the web address is, and then you go underneath it and you go to Cookies and Site Data, and then Manage on-device site data. These are the tabs I currently have open. I could just click on the garbage cans, and then it would start over again. Then go through your process and use Google Translate to translate the web page or to translate Sora. This is John O'Sullivan. Thank you.